Hello, I'm going to be answering WASSCE 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 22. Which of the following means of funding a business is very reliable and cheap? A. Bank loans. B. Loans from friends. C. Plowback profits. D. Debentures. Now, basically we are looking at means of funding business, and we are asked which is very reliable and cheap. Now, bank loans obviously are loans or sum of money, funds obtained from banks. So they are basically funds borrowed from banks, of course, to be paid at a later date. Then you have loan from friends. Loan from friends are also funds borrowed from friends this time around. Could be relative, could be family, just individuals. So loan from friends is also a method. And then there is plowback profit. Now, the plowback profit is basically a fund or profit. Okay, it's basically profit that is kept back, part of profit that is kept back from, say, a business done previously or something, but just a part of a profit that is kept back or left for the sole purpose or for the purpose in general of starting another business. So for startup of another business. So that is what plowback profit entails. And then debenture basically refers to documents that certifies an amount of money borrowed. So now we are asked which is reliable and cheap. Now, bank from loan could be cheap but not very reliable, or could be reliable but not very cheap, as collateral might be demanded. Now, for loans from friends, that is relatively cheap but not exactly very reliable. As for plowback profits, it is both cheap and reliable. Debenture also is not as cheap as plowback profit. So the correct answer is C, which is plowback profit. So plowback profits is a means of funding a business that is very reliable and cheap. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.